How to start your own African business in 2023. Have you ever thought about having your own African business? Maybe you want your new business to be the sole source of your income, or are wanting to have an extra side income from it. Either way, it can be easy to get started. Many people are inspired by the beauty and variety of African products. From djembe drums to African black soap, there are so many ways to feel part of this incredible culture. You can bring Africa to the world around you by selling African products easily from home or in a shop setting. At Africa Imports, we have startup kits with our most popular products to get you started. You can buy these startup kits and more wholesale to save money and make a profit. This way you can turn your passion into a new business without having to play guesswork about what people will want. If you want to be an Africa Imports reseller and start your own African business in 2023, here are 7 steps to follow. Step 1. Decide what products to sell. Think about the type of products you would like to sell, such as soaps and shower gels, oils for aromatherapy, health and beauty, or African clothing. But one tip, as well as choosing products you are passionate about and that interest you, make sure they are also profitable. Figure out the pain points of your potential customers and find ways your products can help them. Step 2. Identify your customers. Start identifying your customers by making a list of 100 people you know. The list should include family and friends, work colleagues, neighbors, church and community groups, as well as others you come into regular contact with. Step 3. Do your research. Once you've got your list, talk to people on that list and see what sort of products they are craving in their life. Maybe they have dry skin and would benefit from shea butter, or maybe they've always wanted to wear more authentic African clothing. This will help you determine your product range. Get a group of people together, like your family and friends, to talk about your business idea. They can give you their thoughts and ideas. You should always do research into your target customers before starting a business. Step 4. Tell people about your new business. Start with your family and friends, then branch out into your local community before going further afield. There are a variety of ways you can use to get your business message out to people. Send a letter or email telling them about your new business and examples of your product range. Set up a mailing list and send regular communications about your products, special offers, and new additions. Include benefits you've seen by using these products. The personal touch for family, friends, and the local community. Visit in person and perhaps take some samples with you. Step 5. Consider doing product parties with family and friends, or even community and church groups. Even if you don't have the products as yet, you can still take orders and deliver the products once they've arrived. Step 6. Share on social media. Social media is an effective and easy way to let people know about your new products. You can share images, take videos, and have a lot of fun experimenting. However, pick your social media channels with care. For a product-based business, it's probably better to stick to Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, and Instagram. Remember to make sure you add a visual to your social media post. You will usually get a much better reception from images. Step 7. Buy your products. Whether you've already got a book of orders, or you are buying your first batch of products, set your budget and buy a selection within that budget. It's okay to start small. It's much better to sell your stock and have to reorder fairly quickly rather than being left with items on the shelf that you can't sell. You can get sample sizes of some of the most popular products from Africa Imports with the Easy Business Startup Kit for just $49. With free shipping. Here at Africa Imports, we want to make it as simple and affordable as possible for anyone to get started. The Easy Business Startup Kit is the simplest, least expensive, and most effective way to begin. But what about marketing? Don't feel like you have to limit yourself to only 1 or 2 options for sales. As well as selling online, which is becoming more and more popular, such as via social media shops, think outside the box. The more open you are to selling in different places, the more likely you will be successful. You could try a mall kiosk or booth. You will have seen them in your local mall, and on a typical weekend, hundreds of people are likely to pass by, and all of whom are potential customers. You could explore local events, farmers markets, or groups. Consider all the local events and markets in your area, as well as community groups, with the potential of setting up a stand. Not only is it a great opportunity to sell your products, it's also a good way to meet and greet lots of potential customers. Alternatively, get a catalog created through Africa Imports. As one of our resellers, we provide free access to catalogs which you can give to existing and new customers. You can put your own business information on the catalog so people can order directly from you. You could also try contacting local businesses to see if they would use your products in their shop. Many spas, flower shops, and other boutiques enjoy having personal care items available as last-minute purchases for customers. Make sure you take samples with you and perhaps arrange to give them a few samples for them to try. At home parties, this is a great way to get a group of people, potential customers, together and present your product range. Lastly, don't forget to follow up. More than anything, you must always follow up on all your communications, with all your customers whether they've bought from you or not. Repeat business is just as important as new business. Thanks for watching. Find out more at www.africaimports.com.